Hello everyone, thanks for watching. It's Christmas over. We've lost a few days because we've had all that big freeze. We're now going to work. We tried working yesterday, but we couldn't. We did a gutter clear day and the gutters were just frozen solid, so that was that day ruined. Out now, window cleaning, can't wait. It's freezing cold still, but we're working. It's me and Matthew, so will we do it? Who knows? Let's see, follow along. Well, that's just arrived at the first one. This is one of 19 cleans me and Matthew got to do for today. Probably get dark still about 4 o'clock. This is something we should have done quite a few days ago after we've had that -5 bit of weather on, so better get cracking and get back into the groove. Right, that's them two done. They're two side by side, as you probably noticed with the footage, or you'll see in the footage. And Matthew's done the front, I've done the back, because at the back I've got some Velux windows. Despite it being a low building, I still need my extensions on my pole to make it a 35-foot pole so I can reach the Skylux or skylights, Velux windows, whatever you want to call them. It's also because sometimes where I need to stand, there's a boarded area, so I have to stand back a bit more, so I need them extensions on there. We're now just going to get to the next house, which is 1 minute drive from here, and then we'll crack on with that one. Hello everyone, just an update. It's just gone 12 o'clock. I've just actually arrived at home. I've eaten me packed lunch on the way here, so all we've got to do now is rebomb up the tank with water, have a cup of tea, get back out there. It's about 17-minute drive from where we last were in Wisbeach. So it's a Wisbeach day today, and we had 19 cleans. We've got 8 cleans left for this afternoon, so it should go all right. And yeah, so far so good. But not going to hang about because obviously time is of the essence. Still going to get dark around 4. Great to be working. I'm not sure if I mentioned it before, but my daughter Sophie, she's been up in Scotland, she's job hunting, she's got a place up there with a fella, and then basically she's got a job interview today, so hopefully if she gets that, that means she can stay up there and get on with her life, and then I've got one less wage to worry about, and that's going to be a big help for me. It's just me and Matthew going to have to make sure we work hard enough to get the job done, all the work done. And also I've got my price increases coming up, so we're still going through my customer profiles as we're going along, re-evaluating all that, so we can see who we need to bump up higher than others to get them to where we want them. There's a lot going on. At my mortgage, that should be up for a renewal soon after that 5-year fixed term, so you know the interest rates that are going to go high, so that's going to be interesting. So yeah, got to think a lot of things really. It's getting harder and harder, isn't it? And the cost of living going up. It's just mayhem. Doesn't matter what you do, whether you work for yourself or someone else, it sometimes feels like you're working for nothing just to pay taxes, isn't it? Anyway, it's enough of that. I need to get going, keep motivated, because I do love my job. Anyway, catch you later. Right, that's us done. That's me at home. It's 25 minutes past 3. Finished the last clean at 10 past 3. So 15-minute drive to get home. Not bad. 19 cleans done. That's 2 of us, me and Matthew. So I'm happy with that. Plus we've been home to fill up and get back out there again. I'm glad we did that because that brew was nice. So yeah, first video done for 2025. Hopefully there'll be a lot more. Thanks for watching, and hope your year goes well. Not that we know what's going to happen, apart from lots of frosty mornings, I think. Anyway, be safe and watch the next video. Thanks for watching.